India celebrates its 75th Independence Day this year. Independence Day takes me back to my school days. Every August 15, the little boy that I was went up on the stage and gave a fiery speech at the top of my voice. The crowd probably thought, how could this tiny boy produce so much sound? I spoke about how our forefathers fought bravely for all those years consistently to get us our freedom. As a kid, I probably didn't understand the gravity of these words that I spoke. But as an adult, I often think, in spite of all these years of freedom, are we truly happy today? Or is there something that we still feel that we are trapped under? And if so, what is it that we need freedom from today? For many years, I struggled the most to break free from a consistent illness. I used to be somebody who falls sick 5 to 10 days in a month, and I was very consistent about it every single month. For those of you who have stayed in Bangalore, probably know that the weather in Bangalore is amazing compared to rest of the country. But if you stay here for a little longer duration, it might take a toll on your health, or so I believed. My body was quite weak and my immunity was very low. The little changes in the weather, I used to fall sick. Now this was getting to me and I wanted to get rid of this. I wanted to break free from this vicious cycle of ill health. 3 years ago, I took matters into my own hands. And I joined a yoga and meditation program. For 8 months, I took a break from work and I joined this program at Isha Yoga Center in South India. And let me tell you, ever since, for the last 26 months, I have not fallen sick like I used to before. And this is the same boy who used to consistently fall sick every single month. It feels good to break free from that cycle of illness. It feels good to have a stable body, mind, emotions, and energy. It feels good to have that freedom that I chose for myself. Friends, I'm here today to ask you a question on this Independence Day. That is there something that you feel that you are trapped under? It could be a habit, it could be a relationship, a thought that's trapping you and stopping you from growing. I see so many people around me, youngsters, people my age, who are trapped in so many things that they themselves don't realize that's stopping them from growing. I hope this Independence Day reminds us that we are trapped under something, or makes us realize that we are trapped under something and helps us break free from it. Now, all of this is easier said than done. But let me tell you, having walked that path, the joy of experiencing that freedom is all worth the effort. It's not going to be easy, but consistency pays off. Our forefathers taught us in their freedom struggle that the consistent effort that they put for years together, for almost a century, paid off finally. And it was their innate desire for freedom that led them to getting us that freedom. So this Independence Day, I hope it reminds us that there is something that could be stopping us, that's trapping us from growing. And I hope the desire to enjoy that freedom kindles in you, because once that desire ignites, then my friends, you become unstoppable. And people around you would join hands and help you get where you want to get. On that note, my name is Ashan Paul, and I wish all my Indian brothers and sisters a very happy Independence Day.